Latvia job visa route. 80,000 plus job vacancies nationwide. Latvia faces labor shortages in logistics, construction, manufacturing, IT, healthcare, agriculture, and hospitality sectors. Labor market data is monitored by the Central Statistical Bureau of Latvia and the State Employment Agency. Average salary €1,600 to €1,900 per month. Full-time employees in Latvia earn competitive wages depending on sector and region. Major cities like Riga, Daugavpils, and Liepāja offer higher average salaries. Unemployment rate around 6% to 7%. Latvia maintains a stable labor market with steady demand for skilled and technical workers. Work 40 hours per week. The standard full-time working week in Latvia is 40 hours under the Latvian labor law. Minimum 20 paid leave days per year. Employees receive at least 4 weeks of paid annual leave, plus official public holidays. Minimum salary €700 per month. Latvia's national minimum wage is regulated by the government and updated periodically. Personal income tax 20% to 31%. Latvia applies a progressive income tax system. 20% for lower income brackets, 31% for higher income brackets.